you ever been out on a lovely day and noticed some trash along the streets? Or perhaps you've been in your own home, throwing away a plastic water bottle and thinking to yourself that there's got to be a better place than a landfill for that plastic. To answer this burning question, yes, there are. There are so many ways to make sure that our lands are kept clean, one of them being a zero-waste lifestyle. After all of my work, experience, and research towards a zero-waste lifestyle, I think that I have the proper qualifications to inform you on this topic. This is something that we've been working on for years to help our planet stay healthy, but more people need to be aware. Today we're going to talk about what exactly a zero-waste lifestyle is, how we can achieve it, and how it helps the planet. The first step to living a zero-waste lifestyle is knowing what exactly a zero-waste lifestyle is. When thinking about a zero-waste lifestyle, a lot of people may think of just recycling and picking up around parks, but there's so much more to it than just that. The definition of a zero-waste lifestyle in EcoCycle's What is Zero Waste provides us with zero waste means designing and managing products and processes to systematically avoid and eliminate the volume and toxicity of waste and materials, conserve and recover all resources, and do not burn or bury them. This means being zero waste is more work than what people think it is, but all that work is made worthwhile when it helps our planet be cleaner and a safer place for our next generations. Another thing that is commonly confused is that zero waste is a lifestyle of waste elimination, but it's really resource management. When people think of zero waste lifestyle, they think of waste elimination because that's what the name provides us with. Although a zero waste lifestyle truly focuses more on resource management. In EcoCycle's What is Zero Waste, it states that zero waste industries aim to eliminate the very concept of waste. There's no such thing as waste in nature, only resources. So we need a paradigm shift from managing waste to managing resources. This statement shows us the true motivations of zero waste companies. They eliminate waste and preserve resources, which helps our planet grow and flourish. With the definition of zero waste established, the next step is to learn what actions to take to be considered zero waste. Most people think that a zero waste lifestyle is simply just recycling or picking up trash you found on the side of the road, when in reality there is so much more to it. Some big steps suggested by EcoRecycling's today's zero waste lifestyle, a complete guide to sustainable living, to living a zero waste lifestyle would be to stop using single-use objects, to compost organic materials, and choosing sustainable fashions. For example, get yourself some rechargeable batteries or beeswax wraps instead of using the one-time use batteries and cling wrap. If you compost your waste, you can use it to fertilize your gardens, and that helps remove food matter from landfills. Choosing sustainable fashions may seem like something that does not fit into a zero waste lifestyle, but when you fix up your favorite hoodie instead of throwing it out and getting a new one, you're keeping one more piece of trash out of the dumps. If you buy more sustainable clothing, then you'll have them for longer, and if you go thrifting, you can take someone's old clothes and turn them into your new clothes. Not only is a zero waste lifestyle something you can do on your own, but spreading the message to others can be even more valuable. Not only do the small actions help, but also the big ones, such as going out and informing the public about things they can do to help. While there are so many people out there living this lifestyle already and helping make our planet a cleaner and greener place, bringing more attention to it can help us change minds and add to the people that are living this lifestyle and help the planet. On top of that, some people do not know how much the planet is hurting. By informing those people, we can show them that leading a waste-free lifestyle can help everyone in the long run. Now that the tasks and responsibilities of zero waste lifestyle have been revealed, the benefits of all this work should be shared. Recycling can save energy and lessen the amount of trash in our landfills. When we recycle, the big companies save much needed energy because they don't have to use as much to compensate for the amounts that are being thrown away. As stated in EcoCycle's Zero Waste is a climate change solution. When companies use recycled materials to make new products, they use 30 to 90% less energy than they would if they remade the products brand new. For every 1 ton of materials that we recycle, there is 3 tons less of carbon emissions being put into our atmospheres. That means they burn less of our fossil fuels and produce less greenhouse gases to destroy our atmosphere. Composting is another big way to save our environments and to keep the world healthy. As stated in EcoCycle's Zero Waste is Climate Change, composting is a critical part of a zero waste system and provides two tremendous benefits for reducing climate pollution. These two benefits are reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and you can use the compost to help our farms, gardens, and our environments. Modern landfills are made so that there's no oxygen inside of the landfills when they're filled. Since there's no oxygen to help break down organic matter, it creates methane. The methane heats up much quicker than oxygen and starts breaking down our atmosphere. So by removing organic materials such as food or yard debris and composting them instead, we take less methane out of our environments. Now that we know what a zero waste lifestyle is, what to do in one, and how it helps everybody, we also know how to create a better planet. A zero waste lifestyle is not simply removing waste from our everyday lives, it's preserving our resources. Using more reusable materials such as beeswax, wraps, or rechargeable batteries, fixing broken things instead of throwing them away, and composting organic waste are great ways to become environmentally friendly. Finally, this has an actual effect on our world and how long it stays alive. Now that you know a little bit more about how to protect and preserve our planet, hopefully we can put these actions to use. Remember, we only have one planet, one chance to keep it thriving and healthy. So let's give back to the Earth what it has given to us.